Hello everyone, welcome to our channel of campus. In this video, this is the continuation of a previous video. Previously we have solved TANSET 2017 engineering mathematics section. We have solved from 1 to 5 questions. We have solved already. We are going to solve from the problem number 6 here. If you are not watching those videos, I should kindly check with the playlist. So let's start the video. What is the sixth problem here? By eliminating the constants a and b from x squared plus y squared plus z minus a the whole squared equal to b squared, the partial differential equation is. We need to find out the partial differential equation. By we should eliminate that constant a and b. Let's see how to solve this problem. What is the given differential equation? X squared plus y squared plus z minus a the whole squared equal to b squared. So now we are going to differentiate this equation with respect to x. What we will get? 2x plus this term will get 0. So we are going to differentiate with respect to a only. So this term 2 into z minus a into dou z by dou x. Dou z by dou x, this is a constant term, so we are getting 0 here. So 2 into z minus a into dou z by dou x is equal to minus, take this term to right hand side, minus 2x. This will get cancelled. What we will get? Z minus a into dou z by dou x equal to minus x. Let it is a equation number 1. Next we are going to differentiate that same equation with respect to y. This same equation, what we will get? This term will get 0. 2y, y squared 2y plus 2 into z minus a into dou z by dou y. This constant will get 0. Similarly, simplifying, that will go to the right hand side, cancel those 2's. What we will get? Z minus a into dou z by dou y is equal to minus 1. Let this equation be 2. So now we are going to divide equation 1 by 2. So divide equation 1 divided by 2. What we will get? We'll solve here. Sorry, this is the 6th. Divide that equation 1 by 2. What is the equation 1 here? Z minus a dou z by dou y equal to minus x. I am writing here equation 1. Z1, equation 1 divided by 2. What we will get? Z minus a into dou z by dou y is equal to minus x. Divided by, what is equation 2? Z minus a into dou z by, what is the dou z by dou x? Sorry. What is the equation here? I made a mistake. Sorry guys. Is z minus a into dou z by dou x here. Similarly, z minus a into dou z by dou y equal to minus y. So dou z by dou x, dou z by dou y is equal to minus y. So this and this will get cancelled. What is here? Dou z by dou x divided by dou z by dou y is equal to minus and minus term will get cancelled, x by y. So what we will get? Cross multiply these two. We are getting y dou z by dou x equal to x dou z by dou y. So take that to the all the term in one side. What we will get? This term becomes x dou z by dou y minus y dou z by dou x equal to 0. This is the answer for this question. See which is the option. X dou z by dou y plus minus y dou z by dou x is equal to option 4 is the correct option for this problem. Next move on to the problem number 7. What is that? 7. If phi and psi are scalar functions, then the value of del dot del phi cross del psi is, we are going to find out this term. See, this is the one of the property of vector calculus property or formula. When we taking divergence of curl of same vector, divergence of curl of some function, some this is psi, some function, we will get 0. So it is the one of the property of vector, one of the property in vector calculus, divergence of curl. Divergence of curl is nothing but 0, so no need to solve for this. So option 2, 0 is the right option for this problem. Next problem is 8th problem. What is that? Let f is equal to xi plus yj plus zk and s be the surface of a unit sphere. By the Gauss divergence theorem, the value of double integral over s f vector dot n cap ds, where n cap is a unit outward normal to s, is, we have to solve that. What is given? F vector is given. We have to solve for surface. We have to find out the surface integral by the Gauss divergence theorem. What is the Gauss divergence theorem? Gauss divergence theorem of a flux of the field vector around a surface enclosed by a closed surface is equal to the divergence of the, what is the Gauss divergence problem? Gauss divergence theorem. Divergence theorem relates the surface integral with what? By Gauss divergence theorem, surface integral with volume integral. So double integral over S, the field around a surface enclosed by a surface is equal to the divergence of that field in the volume enclosed. In the volume enclosed, it is the Gauss divergence theorem is in simple we can say it is double integral related with the triple integral. Surface integral related to the volume integral is known as Gauss divergence theorem. So by the Gauss divergence theorem we are going to solve for this double integral over s f dot n cap ds. So what is f here? F is given as xi plus yj plus zk. F is given. So we are going to find out the divergence of x. Divergence of f is nothing but del dot f. Del dot, first we have to find out the divergence of f, then we are going to integrate over the volume. So what is del here? In general, what is del? Dou by dou x of I vector plus dou by dou y of j vector plus dou by dou z of k vector. Sorry, dou by dou z of k vector. So divergence dot f. Divergence dot f. F, what is f here? xi plus yj plus zk. So what we will get? I multiply I with I, dot product, dou x by x is nothing but 1, dou y by 1 plus 1, dou z by dou z is equal to 1. So it is del dot f. Del dot f vector is nothing but 3. We are getting some constant 3 here. So substitute in that theorem, triple integral over v 3 dv. Triple integral over v 3 dv. This is take constant outside, triple integral over v dv. What is given? Where n cap is a unit, s be the surface of a unit sphere. It is enclosed by the surface unit sphere. Unit sphere, we are knowing what is the volume of the sphere. In general, what is the volume of a sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. What is the volume of mentioned as unit sphere? Unit sphere is nothing but the radius is 1. So substitute r is equal to 1. What we will get? 1 cube is nothing but 1. 4 by 3 into pi. It is a value for this term, unit sphere term. So In place of this, substitute 4 pi by 3. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled. We are getting 4 pi. So answer is 4 pi. Option 3 is the correct option for this problem. So next move on to the next problem. For this problem 4 pi, option 3 4 pi is the correct option for this problem. Next, what is that? Ninth problem. Ninth problem, what is that? If f of z is equal to u of x comma y plus I v into x, v of x comma y is analytic in a domain D, then its component functions u of xy and v of xy are option 1 harmonic in D, option 2 not harmonic in D, option 3 not satisfying the C or Cauchy-Riemann equations in D, and option 4 not differentiably partially in D. If f of z is equal to u plus iv, we are going to solution. If f of z is equal to u plus iv, then u and v are harmonic. This is the answer. If f of z equal to u plus, what is given? F of z equal to u plus iv and said it is analytic, then u and v are harmonic in D. Option 1 harmonic in D is the correct option for this problem. Next, move on to the problem number 10. Problem number 10, what is that? We'll see. What is problem number 10 here? See. Okay. Problem number 10. The residue of f of z is equal to z e power z divided by z minus 1 the whole cube is. 4 options are given. Let's see how to solve the problem. We need to find out the residue of function of f of z. What is the residue formula? If z is equal to a I am writing the formula for residue. If z equal to a is a pole of order n, then residue of f of z at z is equal to a is 1 by limit z tends to a 1 by n minus 1 factorial into d power n minus 1 divided by d z power n minus 1 into z minus a into f of z minus a the whole power n into f of z. What is the residue formula first? If z equal to a is a pole of order n, this is order n, then residue of f of z at z is equal to a is limit z tends to a 1 by n minus 1 factorial into d power n minus 1 by dz power n minus 1 into z minus a whole power n. See here n minus 1 term. See carefully here only n. Z minus a into n into f of z. From this formula, from this problem, f of z is equal to, what is the pole? Equating denominator is equal to 0. Here z minus 1 equal to 0, z is equal to 1 is a pole of order 3. Z is equal to 1 is a pole of order 3. So we are going to solve this problem by substituting this formula. What we will get? Limit z tends to a 1 by, what is n here? N is 3. 2 minus 1 factorial into d power 2 minus 1 divided by dz power 2 minus 1 into z minus a into n is nothing but 3 into f of z term. That term z e power z divided by z minus a the whole cube. Okay. So we are going to solve this problem. N minus 1 factorial, n is nothing but 3 3. Okay, sorry. So 1 by 2 factor, limit z tends to a. What is a here? Z tends to a is equal to 1. A is equal to 1 here. N is equal to 3. A is equal to 1. N is equal to 3. Z tends to 1. 1 by 3 minus limit z tends to 1. 1 by 3 minus 1, 2. 1 by 2 factorial is 2. D squared by dz square. Cancel this term. Z minus a the whole cube and z minus a the whole cube. Z e power z. So we are going to double time differentiate this term and substituting by 1 in place of z. We are going to find out the answer. So limit z tends to 1. I am writing here 1 by 2 into d by dz of one time differentiating x e power x is nothing but z e power z uv formula u du plus v du plus u dv. In short, d by dx of x e power x is nothing but x e power x plus e power x. So z e power z plus z plus e power z. We are going to differentiate one more time. So limit z tends to 1 by 2. Substitute this term, what we will get is z e power z plus e power z, and differentiate this term, what we will get is z e power z plus e power. This is a uv formula. I am explaining here how it will come. Keep z as constant. U dv e power z is nothing but e power z plus e power z into differentiate this term 1. So in short, z e power z, we will write z e power z plus e power z. So differentiate this term, we are getting again e power z. So this is the differentiation value. So we are going to simplify this term. Due to space consumption, I am writing here e power z and e power z. Take e power z outside, what we will get, or substitute limit 1 in place of z, what we will get, substitute z 1 into e power 1. E power 1 is nothing but e power 1 plus e power 1 plus e power 1. What is that? E power 1 is e. So e plus e is equal to 3e divided by 2. So 3e divided by 2 is the correct answer for this problem. So what is the option here? Option 2 is the right option for this problem. So I am ending the video here. I will solve the rest of the problems in our next video. So subscribe our channel Off Campus and support us. This is a part 2 video. We are in 2017 cancer problem. They will ask 1 to 20 question. We solved already 1 to 5 in part 1. In this part we have solved from problem number 6 to problem number 10. In our upcoming videos, we are going to solve and discuss for the rest of the problems. So subscribe. I am end up this video. Subscribe our channel Off Campus and click on the bell icon. You will receive notifications as in when we upload videos. Thanks for watching.